Paul Cattrall from 423buyland.com. I'm very proud of this build today. Right now I'm standing in the new house build. It's approximately 1,200 square foot. I'm documenting this. This will be my fourth video on this fantastic project. Now, of course, I got my guys working. We're trucking along. We're doing very, very well. And as you can see, I have a bit of a bad habit. I'm drinking on the job. Don't worry. Mineral water. You got to in this heat today. So what we're doing currently is we're running the roof ceiling trusses going this way. Now, oh, so excited. Soon, when they get done with these ceiling trusses, they're going to be taking off all of these bracers. And then you're going to see the entire room absolutely open up. You can see they're using 2x8s on the ceiling, and they're doing a fantastic job. But they're going to lay all these out before they get the air guns going, and bam, 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 so that everything measures out. And they're also going to run their level underneath the ceiling trusses to make sure it's level. That is extremely important, especially if you're using 24-foot wide beams, because the propensity for it to be undulating can be like that. And look, when you're hanging the sheetrock, you would see it. So they're doing all those measurements and sanding down all those little extra things that you're not aware of when they do install the trusses to ensure that that sheetrock is hung perfectly. So everything's going fantastic right now, and I have to tell you, it's exciting watching them work. And I know they don't want me shooting these videos with them doing their thing, so I really don't want to stick around too long. I want to kind of get out of the scenes, but man, I'm just like so excited. Isn't this great? Isn't this great? I mean, look, this is, I'm not a builder, folks. Let's get that straight. I'm by no means a builder. I'm doing this blindly, and I'm shooting from the hip every time I turn around, making lots of mistakes, but I want you to capitalize off of my mistakes. If you had to build a house on the fly, these are the guys to call, and I'm going to show you how to do that without plans. But I don't want you to. Always get plans, at least in the beginning. Your plans are always subject to change. What you see on paper is not what you're going to see in real life. Not always. Anyway, I think it's coming along great. Soon they'll be taking these bracers off, and I'll be shooting a video walking freely around the living room. Let me show you. Over here's the kitchen. One little note. Notice the size of the window in the kitchen. We went with an extra large window. And, you know, the first house that I built, I had a small window like that. And in retrospect, you know, I should have gone 9-foot ceilings. I should have done the 8x8 piers. Oh, well, of course, that house was for me. I built that house for me. I'm very happy with it. And we have an oversized window for the kitchen. I mean, the space on the window. You know, I could actually use this as a drive-through. Maybe put a slide window when Mom is doing her cooking. I'll just drive. Anyway, another day in the life of the wannabe house builder. But anyway, I think we're doing pretty good. Paul Cattrall from 423. Hey, listen, my camera lay is going like this. Okay, let me tell you something. One day, I'm going to be in Hollywood, and when I'm a rock star, you're going to have to dress like a rock star wife. I want mini skirts, the whole deal. Okay. All right. Anyway, Paul Cattrall, 423buyland. Thank you. You know, I haven't done a formal introduction on these great, terrific individuals. This is Kevin. This is Kevin's brother, Milton, or as we say, Milton. No, you know. Hey, you guys are going to be famous, all right? But you can see they're really great people, real wonderful people, real great to deal with. And, you know, they're El Salvadorians. Notice they are not wearing sombreros. They're wearing slightly smaller hats. That's how you can tell an El Salvadorian over a Mexican. You see, they don't wear sombreros. Hey, trust me, guys, right now, they know me all too well. They want me to shut my mouth and go, so I'm going to let you guys go. Good. Paul Cattrall, 423buyland.com. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our #1 customer here. Absolutely. Let me tell you, this guy's he's a little excited right now because he just bought some land off me. You could say he's a little all shook up. But anyway, Paul Cattrall, call me today.